What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show you how I turned this brush into this within seconds. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that, and let's just jump straight into the video. So you're just gonna need a bowl. I chose to use this rubber band bowl that I had from some rubber bands that I used to have, fruit peeler, and you're gonna need your Zote. I had one left over, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start shaving this into my bowl. Now you want to pat that all down. Now I'm just gonna take me some hot water and pour it in there. Now I'm just smoothing it out with my fingers a little bit, making sure it's all smooth in there. And now I'm gonna let it sit for about 15 to 30 minutes. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. This is what it looks like up close. Now, as you can see, I have some dirty ass brushes. They literally have not been cleaned in about 3 weeks. I'm gonna show you how I clean these up real quick. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. Look at all that gunk and makeup in there. This stuff is a miracle. Look at that. Y'all see that? Now I'm just gonna take some water and rinse that off. Look at that, y'all. Guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.